In this video, we will discuss adjusting the timer on a DS7 touchscreen. Begin by pressing and holding the timer you would like to adjust. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the timer duration. To adjust the seconds, tap the seconds portion of the time. Then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. Use the volume slider to adjust the timer volume. Select Chime to change the tone when the timer is complete. Press the Home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away.